Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at the brand new 2020 GMC Acadia SLT. This beautiful mid-sized SUV is powered by the 3.6 liter V6. It made it to the new 9-speed automatic transmission. Right away here in the Acadia, we do have the power windows as well as mirrors, memory seating, lock and unlock, electronic parking brake button there, and your hatch button. You can actually adjust to how high you want that hatch to open when you push that button. Moving to the steering wheel here, we do have the forward collision warning and the cruise control on one side here, and on the other, speak to talk and cycle through your dash controls. We do only have 4 kilometers on this vehicle as it is brand new. Push button start, 8-inch touchscreen for your nav, audio, and climate controls. We do have the new, this is how you select your gear, which is new in the Acadia here. You have your brake, reverse, neutral, drive, and low gears. We do have the automatic stop start button, which you can disable now as well, and parking sensors, heated and cooled seats for the driver and passenger, as well as you do have the select terrain mode here. You can either have the car in 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. You can have it in sport, hill descent, or trailering. Black leather interior with the wood grain trim. Just single glove box here. All black seat, white stitching, heated and cooled as well. On the exterior of this Acadia, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package. Beautiful 6-spoke wheels. Looks really good with this black carbon paint job on this SLT. We do have the dual chrome exhaust coming out the rear there as well, and the hidden hitch underneath that rear bumper. We do have the LED lighting in the front as well as the rear there. Hands-free lift tailgate, as well as it is power, obviously. We do have the roof rails on top there, chrome around the 2 front windows. The blind spot monitoring system on this vehicle does illuminate on your rear view mirror there when there is a vehicle in that tricky spot there as well. And of course, parking sensors all over this vehicle, so you can park and drive confidently with knowing where everything is. Moving into the rear here, we do have the 2 captain's chairs, which are actually both heated as well. Dual USB outlets and 120 volt outlet there. We do have the AC vents in the roof. That's sunroof or moonroof in the back here as well. Now see how the seat slides forward? Lots of room for your passengers to get back into that 3rd row. Just a 2-seater there that also has a 50-50 split. Both fold down flat for a little more cargo space in the rear if you don't need it. But up here, click that back in, just back to normal. And of course, those beautiful customized rubberized matting comes in this car to keep your Acadia nice and clean. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on this brand new 2020 GMC Acadia SLT. Hope you come down and really be impressed by this vehicle down at GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest.